Hi, this is Sandy. We love the Saratoga Springs Resort and Spa at Disney World, and during our last stay, we were in room number 7225 in the Carousel section of the resort in Building 13. There are 3 standard room sections in the resort: the paddock, the carousel, and the grandstand, while the preferred rooms are in the Congress Park and the Springs sections. This room is a 1-bedroom villa located on the 2nd floor. When you enter the room, there is a lock-off room on the left if you choose to have a 2-bedroom unit. Then you proceed into the kitchen and eating areas. This is a fully stocked kitchen with refrigerator, oven, and stovetop, microwave, dishwasher, and garbage disposal. Coffee pot and toaster are provided, as well as dishes and pots and pans. There are complimentary starter items provided: coffee supplies and cleaning supplies. The eating area is a bench seat, 2 chairs, and a table. Over the couch is a Murphy-style pull-down bed that sleeps 2, and under the TV is an additional single pull-down bed. In the sitting area, there is a balcony, and this was our view. Saratoga Springs in New York State is known for world-class horse racing, natural spring spas, 13 golf courses, 10 museums, and a historic battlefield. There is also a sofa, coffee table, end table, large wall-mounted TV and ceiling fan, and a telephone. This resort was inspired by the historic Saratoga Springs horse racing town located in upstate New York. Representing the Victorian-style charm of the late 1800s, this resort sits between Lake Buena Vista, with Disney Springs just a short walk to the other side, and golf course greens of Lake Buena Vista Golf Course. The rooms have recently undergone a 2-year overhaul, completed in 2023, to update and refresh your experience, adding more comfort and space. The Murphy wall beds are easily pulled down, adding extra sleeping space in this room. This resort opened in 2004 as the 7th Disney Vacation Club resort and is the largest of the DVC resorts, with a total of 1,320 villas spread out over 65 acres. It has recently undergone extensive room renovations. A stackable washer and dryer is provided, along with a laundry basket and starter washing supplies. In the bedroom is a king-size bed with 2 nightstands with lamps, chair, and ottoman, a large dresser, and another large wall-mounted TV. The bedside lamps have electric and USB charging ports. Off the bedroom is the split bathroom. The first room has a large vanity with wall mirror, makeup mirror, and soaking tub. Next to the vanity is the closet with an ironing board, iron, vacuum, and extra pillows and blankets for the Murphy beds. The next room has a walk-in shower, vanity with mirror, and a private toilet room. This area has a door to share with guests staying in the living area. The room is decorated in horse racing and golf references relating to the horse track and golf courses in Saratoga Springs, New York, as well as natural elements inspired by the outdoors of upstate New York and the Adirondack Mountains. You'll see leather strapping with buckles and wagon wheel light chandelier, leaf wall art from trees found in New York, lamps that look like twigs, print artwork, murals, and figurines. Please subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our upcoming videos. This property is lush and serene with greenery and flowers and multiple water fountains, sitting areas, and walking paths. Saratoga Springs Resort is located across Lake Buena Vista from Disney Springs, where you will find all of your shopping, dining, and entertainment needs met. You can walk from the resort or take a water taxi. This is an expansive resort with 5 bus stops to take you to the theme parks. There is one located in each section. In the main carriage house is the lobby and check-in area, and down the hall is the gift shop and the Artist's Palette quick service dining. Continuing on is the Turf Club Bar and Grill, and then down the stairs is the Lake Buena Vista Golf Pro Shop. Characters often make appearances at the resort to visit with guests. There are loads of things to do while at this resort, including 5 swimming pools, 2 feature pools where all the fun is, and 3 leisure pools for some peaceful relaxation time. We were so impressed with this resort that we took a trip to see the original inspiration in upstate New York, and I can tell you that the Walt Disney Imagineers got it perfect when they created the Saratoga Springs Resort. We spent a couple of days here taking in the horse racing and visiting the museum, and there is a gorgeous downtown area, the Broadway district, with restaurants, pubs, and shopping. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you on the road.